Hello everybody, myself Pooja Shri. I would like to present my presentation. The topic is clustered system. So clustered system is nothing but a group or multiple of computers connected together as a network where all the nodes would work as a single system sharing the common storage and resources to provide high availability and increased processing power essential acting like a single powerful computers. Each node runs its own operating systems but coordinates with the others through specialized cluster software to achieve unified functionality. The diagrammatic view of clustered system. I have been explained three diagrammatic views. So first view is explaining the simple structure of the clustered system, and the second one is also explaining the simple, and third one is explaining the group of computers combined as a network. So this is the real time example for clustered system. Next to the types of clustered system, there are three major types of clustered system. First one is asymmetric clustering system, symmetric clustering system, parallel clustering system. Symmetric clustered system. First of all, symmetric clustering system is a system that is a type of IT architecture that combines multiple computer systems and that shares the access to disk. In symmetric classific clustered system, all the nodes actively process takes without any standby nodes. I have been given the systematic representation for the symmetric clustered in OS. External network is user. The user is giving the multiple nodes. That multiple nodes combined is known as clustered. Asymmetric clustered system. An asymmetric clustered system is a group of hosts that contribute different amount of resources to the cluster. We can say in other words as a host in a asymmetric cluster are not all equal. So in a clustering system, one of the node is the host standby node, that is it continuously monitors the entire system. Here in symmetric cluster system, every node will be looking as the host. In clustered asymmetric clustered system, the single node will act as a host to monitor the activist of the entire system. All the other nodes run the required applications or tasks. The hot standardly node is a component of cluster system and it's completely fail safe. So I have been given the same asymmetric clustered system as a diagrammatic view for clustered system as a asymmetric clustered system. The third one is parallel clustered system. So parallel cluster system is a that allows multiple users to access shared data on a storage system, using that for multiple processes to perform the task in parallel. A cluster controls a job like a queue. It will be arranged like a queue and distributes the task to works. Based on the queue, it will be working. Then the multiple processor work together to perform the task in parallel. So the system can scale handle large volumes of data and complex workloads. Here I have been given the diagrammatic view for parallel clustered system. Next, the functions of clustered system. First, the major functions are load balancing, high availability, scalability, parallel processing. First, load balancing. Load balancing means is nothing but distributing the task evenly among multiple nodes to prevent any single node from becoming overloaded, optimizing performance. Second one is high availability. If one node fails, other node in the cluster can seamlessly take over the workload, ensuring continuously operation. In this, a single node is affected means it will not affect the rest of the systems. So it continuously it will regret that alone the distracted part alone and continues the remaining parts as a workload. So scalability means adding more number of nodes. A cluster can easily increase the processing power to handle the large workloads. Parallel processing. So parallel processing is nothing but executing multiple tasks simultaneously across different nodes to improve processing speed. Next, the characteristics of A clustered system or multiple interconnected computers working together as a single system, then offering a high availability, scalability, and fault tolerance, load balancing, improved performance by distributing the workloads across the clusters. Then the usage of the clustered system is these systems can be helped in the business maintenance, quality, and improving the process by testing the processors. It will collect the relevant data and returning the data for monitoring and possible troubleshootings. This enables social media platform to organize the feeds, suggest the connections, deliver targeted advertisements in real system. These are the usages, and the applications are web hosting, database management, critical infrastructure monitoring, financial trading platforms, large scale data processing, distributed computing. So the merits are it will be high availability due to the automatic failover, improved performance and scalability by adding more nodes, flexibility, it will adopt changing needs, resources optimization by distributing workloads across multiple nodes, enhance the data redundancy. So the demerits are high cost due to the additional hardware requirements, increased complexity means it will management and the maintain the things, potential difficulty means in fault identification, compatibility issues nas with certain applications, the need for specialized skill is to operate effectively. So the next one is drawback of the clustered system. Increased complexity in management, troubleshooting. These are the major drawbacks, and also there is a some of the drawbacks like high cost, increased the complexity, potential difficulty, like that and all. So these are the drawbacks, demerits, merits, application, usage, characteristic functions, and definitions, overviews of the clustered system. That's all about the clustered system. Thank you.